guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike TECH HERAs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and an opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. And let's go. So today we've got to look at the Nike TECH HERA, or HERA. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but if anyone can help me, phonetically spell it out in the comment section below. So we got these in the white black colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, US 8.5. So let's take a look. These are brand new. I've never seen a silhouette like this, and this gives me classic 90s vibes, like early 90s. It's giving me them vibes. It's very different to what we usually work with Nike, but we do tons of Nike reviews. And if anyone from Nike is watching, and we know that you are, if you want us to review a couple of Nikes, throw some our way. Anyway, we'll get into all the nitty gritty. We'll start with the outsole. So right now for you, and on the outsole, it's all rubber outsole. You can see parts of the traction patterning right there. It looks like it's on the forefoot and it's at the back here. So it kind of reminds me of herringbone if you look at it, but that's just what I can see. There's no technology involved, so this is just a normal rubber foam midsole unit. So white rubber, you can see the way that the outsole extends, the black parts there, and then the foam midsole right there to give you more cushioning. Now the upper, it's a really cool design in my opinion. It reminds me of like the 90s basketball trainers from Reebok. You just expect from the Reebok Kamikaze. It's giving me those vibes, but however, it also kind of reminds me of the CB94s, the Air Max Charles Barkley, ones that he wore. But that's me being like a massive basketball sneakerhead. I love basketball sneakers, the retro ones from the 90s as well. But this is like the patterning that I'm getting. So you get this synthetic material upper all around. So it feels like it's suede, but it isn't. It is like a Durabuck. I think that's what the Nike people call it. So you got this, well, essentially it's a fake. It's a non-leather upper all around. Again, I love that design, the way that's netted out. You can see it here. You've got the swoosh on both sides, on the medial and the lateral, right there for you. The tongue, very nicely padded, right there. Flat laces in a quick lace system, right there. Padding on the ankle support, and you've got pull tabs on the heel right there for you. So if you look at the design as well, that the way that the heel is, it reminds me of some Jordans. Like I really feel this, and I think that they got the name Hera from the goddess. I forgot what goddess she was. The Greek goddess Hera. And if you don't know about Nike, Nike is named after the goddess of victory from Nike. So you can see little nods here and there. It's a really dope design in my opinion. I hope that they're comfortable. I'm gonna let you know when I do the on-field review. And we're getting onto that part right now for you. So roll that footage of me trying to use Nike TECH HERAs on for you.
it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. These being a 7.5, they are perfect on me. My toes are where they need to be. And guys, honestly, this is a really nice sneaker. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. I really dig these, and I think they're really cool on. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, for sizing, get your true to size Nike fit. 7.5 is perfect for me, and my toes are where they need to be. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing some Nike cargo track pants. I'm not sure if you can get them at the minute, but that's what I'm wearing. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.